Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Just a quick update, I did have surgery last week, and so we won't be working on any new projects for the next few weeks. But there are some projects we've completed that you guys may not have seen yet, and those are the ones I will be sharing. In this week's video, I'm going to walk you through one of the easiest beginner-friendly accent walls you can tackle in just one weekend. So this is our primary bedroom, and we completed this vertical slat wall project last Christmas as our gift to ourselves. We wanted a clean and simple design in our sitting area, and so we started by removing everything in the space. Next, we attached 1/4-inch plywood back into the wall because we were using liquid nails to secure the slats. For the slats, we used 1x2 Primed MDF boards. Now the actual width of these boards is 1.5 inch, so keep that in mind when you're doing your calculations. MDF is always our material of choice for slats because they're straight and align well, but you can use whatever material fits your budget. I love our high ceilings, but what I don't love is when we can't find material long enough to accommodate them. The longest MDF boards we could find is 8 feet, so Bernard had to make a bunch of small cuts at the bottom. If you don't have a paint sprayer, then we highly recommend painting these boards first before installing them. Now, if you are in the market for a paint sprayer, we happen to love ours, and it's a Coco 360 VSP. Dark and moody vibes will always have my heart. The brown paint color is Coco by Behr, and the darker color is Iron Ore by Sherwin. We were fortunate enough to have this project be paid for through a brand partnership, so when it came to the styling, we went a little extra. But once the campaign was over, we simplified the space a lot, and this is how we actually keep it on a daily basis. I have all the confidence that any one of you can recreate this project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.